Understanding how online users behave and make decisions on websites is very important, whether you are a UX designer, e-commerce owner, or even a policymaker. Unfortunately, existing tools have clear shortcomings when it comes to quantifying online behavior, such as requiring additional installations like browser plugins, which strongly limits the participant base, not properly tracking interactions or aggregating data across multiple subjects due to treating the site as an image or video, and being limited to mouse tracking and not understanding the full path of perception to action. PageGazer is a new and powerful tool for website research that innovates by overcoming these limitations. Here is a quick summary of how this is done. PageGazer works natively in all browsers, without requiring any further installations or hardware. This is a plus for accessibility, expanding the participant base that you can record, and the use cases for which it can be used. PageGazer can embed any website with its proxied iframe technology and DOM fingerprinting to detect areas of interests, aka AOIs, and identify page elements like buttons, text, and images, treating them as website data. You can use these AOIs as the basis of your study by creating guided task scenarios. This also enables easy data aggregation across participants for metrics like fixations. To understand where users are looking at on the page, we employ our remote eye tracking technology, which has been recognized for its unparalleled accuracy, peer-reviewed by experts, and valued for its GDPR compliance. During the Elise grant period, we developed a neural network which bridges the worlds between attention and action by combining mouse tracking and eye tracking with website data. With this innovation, you can see which content is attended to before an action like sign-up takes place. Now let's see what these major technological innovations look like in action. In this first project, we will conduct an A/B test for 2 versions of an image on the website to compare which one will receive more attention. To begin, simply create a project. Input your URL and choose the free browsing template. Upon loading in PageGazer, all AOIs on the page are detected. When overlays are enabled, the auto-detected areas of interest are displayed. Each color represents a different type of AOI. Images, texts, links, and more. You can modify these elements as you wish. For A/B testing, select the AOI you want to manipulate and choose image variant to upload the alternative image. By accessing the PageGazer side menu, you will then set up the appropriate task structure in order for the A/B test to run, as well as your desired settings for the eye tracking calibration. Upon launching the study, the participant will see either the original version or the one with the different image. After the allotted time has passed, the free browsing study is complete. In the playback, you can see different eye and mouse tracking patterns per design, as well as AOI statistics like fixations. In this next project, we show another side of PageGazer, where clicks on a specific AOI are tracked and prompt a display message. To do this, we choose the user click template. For the instructions, we ask users to find the button for downloading the app. The website loads with all the AOIs detected. To set up the task, you identify which AOI is of interest, the one that is for downloading the app. You can also customize the message that will be shown upon the task completion. To try it out, click Run. Until the button is found, data such as gaze is being recorded. The task ends upon finding the target download button. The data recordings show what elements were looked at the most before downloading, as well as gaze fixations and mouse movements. At the top, different cognitive states are being reported, such as browsing, reading, image viewing, and video watching. You can use these cognitive insights on reading versus image viewing to increase conversion by knowing which elements received attention. These 2 projects are a glimpse of PageGazer's potential. So what industries can this be applied to? Let's discuss 2. First, for optimizing the UX of e-commerce sites, PageGazer can help improve site performance by identifying the content that users attended to the most right before conversion. For example, you can see which text block or image was looked at the most prior to sign up. This is possible by utilizing the tasks shown earlier in this video, by combining A/B test scenarios while prompting the user to find and click a certain element. Also, PageGazer can be used to conduct research for policymakers on popular sites like social media platforms. To date, little quantitative work has been done here, as it has been challenging to run tests on these sites at all. With our proxied iframe approach and DOM fingerprinting technology, research on these websites can finally be done. Any modern research tool should be able to deliver actionable insights while easily aggregating data across multiple subjects. During the Elise grant period, we were able to actuate this by training a new neural network by combining different data channels, such as eye, mouse, and website data, to classify what the user is currently doing on a website, whether that is reading something, looking at visuals, or searching around for information. With these insights, website owners can objectively set their strategies and priorities. For example, they can decide to create more videos or blogs if those are the AOIs associated with the best outcome. In conclusion, PageGazer will open up many new possibilities in the realm of website behavior research. Join us today as a beta user. Thank you. This project has received funding from the European Union's Horizon 2020 Research and Innovation Program under Grant Agreement number 95/1847.